Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Deliveroo app not working. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn your connection off and on. Next, make sure the Deliveroo app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. If the app is still not working, close it completely and open it again. You can also restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. For Android users, try clearing the app cache. If that doesn't help, uninstall and reinstall the Deliveroo app. If none of these steps work, contact Deliveroo customer support for help. And that's it. That's how to fix Deliveroo app not working. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.